Hey everybody, welcome to part 2 of the big rod bar install. So here's the cables that you saw me put together the other day. They're all sheathed up like you saw and all ready to go into the bars. So I've still got my pull cables through there that you saw me put through the other day to put the hoses in. So this is what we're going to use to pull the electrics through the bars. Okay, so we've already done one side before you guys watching. So you see my little snare sitting there, this thing here, that's what I'm going to use to put around the wires, and here's the other end of it coming out the bottom of the bars. Really hard to get a good angle on this by myself, but you understand what's going on. It's coming out the end of the bars, so it's traveling all the way through the bars. There we go, there we go, it's perfect. You can see it's traveling through the bars, up through there and out there, so I can pull those electrics through. And there's the brake hose there as well. Right, so I've already taped this end up to protect it. There's the switches, and I'm just going to put it through and snare it through there. I use it to actually tie it tight. I don't tie it, but it actually goes through and grabs it and pulls onto it, and then we tape it up. Right, so I'll start pulling it through the bars. Just because I've got that wire, I like to just protect my hands. And there we go, that fast is through. But you get the idea, right? We're pulling it through. There we go. Through, there's the wire you saw. Everything's sitting there, ready to go back into the switch blocks. Boom, let's put them on the bike. So we're going to pull the clutch cable through, going to push some electrics through that big gap there, and the brakes. Through they go. And then we're just going to clamp it down onto that riser. So just start the screws by hand, and then a couple of nuggers. Poke that clutch through where it's got to go. Push the electrics through where they got to go so I can pin them up. Just like that. Coming through. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to set that brake up. I don't like the way they've done this because that brake line had a really tight bend going up through that hole. So I'm going to set that up different with some different adapters that we have on our website for sale. We're going to run the clutch line down away from that exhaust and up and onto there. So that it follows the frame. We've got to watch this gap here, and it'll also run up on the other side of that frame rail there. Part 3 coming soon, where we hook up the brake and the clutch line and all the electrics. It'll be all sorted out and everything all put together. Thanks for watching, fam. You have a good day.